everybody, it is Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center at DFW. We are a dealership, a part of Vogt RV World, where we house our Day One service initiative and enroll our customers in our VRV family membership for 12 months on us. Today I'm super excited to show you around a 2025 Pleasure Way Ontour 2.0, so let's get started. Right up here at the front, you're gonna have your all black wheels with your all season tires and then your 360 camera points all the way around. We are on the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, all-wheel drive on these chassis. You also have your longer wheelbase one. This one's gonna be sitting at 19.8. You do have the 2.0 that sits a little bit longer at 22.9. On this side, we have our utility area. You're gonna have your outdoor shower, your connection to drain your gray and your black tank, 30 amp service, which is a feature that they had switched to in their 25 model years, along with your propane shutoff and your city water fill. You have your Truma AquaGo Comfort for your hot water, and then the Truma Vario heat system equipped inside of this unit, along with your own-in gas generator tied in. What's super awesome is that back here you have your doors. You're gonna have your screen, and then these doors will open all the way. So if you're at a beach somewhere, pull your screen down, be able to have no obstructions and see that beach view. And then down below you will also have your propane refill for your heating system, and then also your quick connect for any outdoor grills that you have on your party side. Over here we made it to the party side, so you are going to have a outlet on the side of your unit. You're going to have your Fiamma awning with the wind sensor, so as soon as it feels that first gust of wind, it's going to auto retract that right back in. Let's step on inside. Come on. All right, so we're gonna start up here in the cab portion. So as I mentioned, you are on the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine here. You have 310 of horsepower. You're gonna have your nice 12-inch display screen here where you can, connect your phone to the Apple CarPlay or the Android Play. Got your own navigation in here. Some great features. You're also equipped with all of your safety features. So your blind spot assist, your hill start assist, lane keeping assist, all of those fun things that you need to be safe on the road. But I'm gonna post the rest of them right next to me. So just pause the video, take a look at those, and let's head to the back. Come on. All right, so now we're back here in the house portion. We are going to start with our wet bath. Another feature that they changed in their 25 models is going to the matte black finishes. And so in here you're going to have your wet bath. You are equipped on this unit with a 25-gallon freshwater tank, a 15-gallon gray water tank, and an 11-gallon black water tank. Coming over here to the side across from your wet bath, you are going to have your kitchenette area. So this is the solid surface Corian countertop. You do have a large stainless steel deep sink with a Corian cover for it as well. Again, the black finishes for the faucet, and it is retractable to be able to use that. Microwave down below, and then your one burner cook top right above. You do have some storage in here, so you're going to have a little storage compartment up here. Some nice cabinet storage for maybe some pots or some pans as well. A drawer storage, two drawer storages above and below on your microwave. Across you're going to have your 12-volt Norcold refrigerator and ice box. This will just pull down. And then again, some additional storage. Now all of these are soft close, which is a really nice feature. Back here you're going to have some more storage. It does not lack storage, even though it does feel like we are in a smaller unit. You still have a lot of spots to place your things. You're also going to have a control panel back here, as well as up in your galley area. This is going to control everything from your AC. You'll be able to see your batteries, turn on and off your lights. All lights in here are dimmable as well. And then back here you're going to have your bed. So you have your couch that will convert into your bed. You do have extra seat belts, so in here can seat up to 4 people. But your bed you can either do as 2 twins or a full queen. So give me just a second and I will show you that. Ta-da! So 2 twins here, and then you can do it into a full queen, which I'll show you here in just a second. But I also wanted to let you know you do have a table mount down below. So what's really nice is you can put this at any position you want. So you can do a nice little lounger. If you needed to do some work back here, wanted to play on the computer, anything of that sort, eat back here, you have that capability, along with up by your passenger side as well. So give me just a second. I'll get you into that queen mode. Here we go. We got a 67 by 76 queen bed back here. This is memory foam, so it is super comfortable, super plush with the ultra leather, feels soft and buttery. It's really great, easy to clean as well. So huge plus sides. Another redesign that they did was going to be their acoustic walling. Used to do kind of like a little suede in their older models. And then came out with this acoustic paneling that I just feel really brings everything together, especially when you choose your different colors. So it's always great to see what comes in and how they do it. So as I mentioned, you have the capabilities of making this kind of into a lounger as well, which we are in, just reclining it back just a little bit. Super nice. You're gonna have your 24-inch TV back here with the sound bar. Got windows that will open on both sides, so getting that nice cross breeze mixed with your domestic AC right above. I mean, this unit is just super great for getting you to where you need to go, having those experiences, fitting into your normal size parking spot, but still having the luxury of having everything within. Bathroom, you know, microwave, induction cooktop, plus a bed. So really nice to see, super comfortable. It's a great touring coach, and would love to have you guys come and check it out. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch our videos. We want to be able to show you the best of the RVs that we carry here at Leisure RV Center without taking up too much of your time. Please leave a comment down below to let us know what kind of your favorite feature is and when you can come out and take a look at this unit in person. Along with that, comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you down the line. Happy camping!